You like that, Mom? You like that?
Sure.
Like that burp?
I think you got problems. Stop that!
I burped on you. Right, dog?
That's hard. That's hard.
She smelled it.